have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. I am going to show you a few things that I have done to my bathroom to make it look absolutely gorgeous in an inexpensive way. A lot of the things that you are seeing has come from the Dollar Tree. These flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and I have them in other parts of my home, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I also purchased ribbon and bling wrap from the Dollar Tree and made me some towel holders. This Buddha head also came from the Dollar Tree. I also used the bling wrap around my towels, and you can also use a Dollar Tree napkin holder, bling wrap around it, and it'll be a beautiful ensemble for your towels. Something that I already had was this contact paper. I got this contact paper from Walmart, and they give you a lot of it in a roll for $5.97. And not only did I use it to cover my shelves, but I also used it as a backsplash to protect my wall over our sinks. I took the same paper that I purchased from Walmart and lined up the back of my linen closet wall. And it looks beautiful when I open up my linen closet and get what I need out of there. These are beautiful vases that they have at the Dollar Tree. And I just simply took some of the flowers that I had on the other side of the room and stuffed the vase with the flowers. Once again, I covered another shelf with the contact paper, and there's another vase and flowers from the Dollar Tree. And it is a beautiful ensemble together. This is my soap dispenser, and I simply just went around the top of my soap dispenser with bling wrap. These are the towels that are on display in my bathroom. And it matched perfectly. It's a beautiful display in my bathroom. And I also made a nice wrap for the top of my toilet stool to match the towels above. Swinging over this way, guys, these beautiful curtains. I got these curtains from Ross a long time ago. And I simply washed them and put them in my bathroom, guys. And they look absolutely gorgeous in my bathroom. And this is something that I already had. Another thing that I purchased from Ross a long time ago was this picture frame. I don't use the picture frame on my wall. I thought it would be beautiful as a tub caddy. This is what it looks like with the Dollar Tree lights shining. It looks absolutely gorgeous with just 2 Dollar Tree lights, and it gives me the right ambiance that I would like to have when I'm taking a beautiful, relaxing shower. Alright guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. Stay blessed, stay safe, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.